With beautiful weather and over 200 parks and fields throughout the city, it's no wonder that Kelowna is home to some of the largest sports leagues across Canada. The city's slow pitch league alone has over 200 teams playing each year. Add in tournaments, rentals, and special events, and you'll see that Kelowna's ball diamonds are in high demand. Any given ball field will see over 500 hours of play each year, so proper maintenance is key to maintaining high-quality fields. And players have a part to play by staying off ball diamonds during rainouts or maintenance, making sure you don't mix shale and grass, keeping diamonds smoke-free, and letting us know if you spot any field quality issues. High-quality diamonds with smooth, level infields, free of divots, help to minimize player injury due to bad bounces and unplanned closures for repairs. Keeping our ball diamonds in great shape requires a team effort. By following a few simple steps, we can ensure a safe and enjoyable ball season for everyone. Number 1, stay off ball diamonds during rainouts or maintenance. Picture this, it's been raining all day, but just in time for game time, the sun has come out. Perfect, right? Not necessarily. Playing on wet infields and grass, whether it's raining or not, can cause extensive damage to fields. Not only can this potentially cause player injury, but will often result in extra work for unplanned repairs. So while you may have been able to play your game, the games that follow may need to be rescheduled. So for everyone's sake, if a rainout has been called, respect the call. You can get rainout notifications sent straight to your email by signing up for e-bulletins at kelowna.ca/getconnected or simply by calling the rainout hotline. Number 2, shale and grass don't mix. The city's maintenance crews groom sports fields regularly during ball season, up to 3 times a week. But puddles do happen and can greatly affect scheduling, especially during playoffs and tournaments. If you need to deal with a puddle before the game, the worst thing you can do is try to drag the puddle into the grass. It simply makes a mess and can create a lip at the edge of the infield, causing bad bounces and an uneven field. Instead, take care of the water where it sits. At the mission fields, you can grab a shovel and bucket from the supply shed to get rid of the water. Or if it's a deep puddle, you can pump the water into a bucket and dump it off the playing field. If you don't have the supplies you need, make a judgment call. Can we play around it? Is the field in good enough condition to play? If not, that's okay. It can always be rescheduled. Number 3, keeping diamonds smoke-free. As per the Parks and Public Spaces bylaw, there's no smoking at city parks, including ball diamonds, unless there's a designated smoking area. Keep in mind that ball diamonds are enjoyed by all ages, so please keep smoking and drinking to designated areas. Number 4, let us know if you spot any issues. Ball diamonds aren't your average field, so a maintenance plan is in place to ensure high-quality turf and shale infields. We ask that players be respectful of the diamond, facilities, and other park users. If you do see an issue at a sports field, let us know using the City of Kelowna's service request system.
What we want to see with user groups is just a little bit of help. People want to have fair play and make sure that you don't get those bad bounces that are going to cost you the game. So if you just a little bit of raking, a little bit of maintenance, we're not asking a lot, we're asking for 5 or 10 minutes prior to the game, and then, level playing surface, more enjoyable play.
The City of Kelowna offers quality ball fields that are safe and accessible for all, and we simply want teams to enjoy their time and avoid any unnecessary injuries. With your help, we can continue to have the best fields around. Enjoy the season and play ball!